Years ago, my cousin and myself, I used to sleep at her house in the summer. Her mother had an old treadle sewing machine. Neither of us were big enough to work it, so we worked in team. One did the pedaling and one did the sewing. We used to make Barbie doll clothes. That was my first experience with sewing. I do an open studio quilting, so we have all levels of quilting in the class, and there's a wide variety of projects going on, so if you're a new person, you can come in and see what things are available. Different types of quilting that you can do. I also have a beginner project for those who don't know how they want to get started, but they can learn how to work a sewing machine, how to work the tools of quilting, and make a quilt. Rotary cutter. A rotary cutter is a tool that we use for cutting fabric. Acrylic ruler. That's a tool that we use to put the rotary cutter against to cut our fabric the proper size. A rotary cutter mat is a mat that we do our cutting on. It protects our cutter from dulling the blade as well as our surface that we're cutting on. Scissors for cutting threads and fabric when we need to. And a pin cushion to help us keep our pieces where we want them to be when we sew. Back in 1992, I interviewed for the quilt teaching position because I had started quilting in the late 80s, and I got hired, and I've had a wonderful time ever since.